Well, it's October 22nd, 2022. It's afternoon. This morning, Thea and I got the kennel panels up around the western garden plot perimeter. So that's set. So what we're going to do now, we've been washing off the root mass of the honeyberries, removing the weeds that are within it, and dividing some of the honeyberries as well. And there's Thea hard at work once again. Say hello!
Hi, everybody. I hope you're having a joyous day.
So we put some stakes in the compost or the soil all around the perimeter here, and Thea's starting to set some of the larger ones around the perimeter so that we can start digging out the holes for them. So that's what we're doing right now. And honeyberries around the perimeter, blackberries down there eventually, and the blueberries in the main crop area here. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully we have success today. It's still the 22nd of October 2022. Thea and I just finished getting the honeyberries into the ground. We washed them with the same way that we cleaned the roots and pulled out any weed roots as we did with the blueberry plants. Probably about a week ago that video was posted. And the honeyberries were out of the ground for a couple of days, but we keep moistening them and keeping them in a cool, dark part of the front of the workshop and all. And I'll show you what we did get done. So this is where the honeyberries start over here, alongside of the new raised kennel panels along the side here. So we ended up dividing a lot of the honeyberries. I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So looks like we got 30 of the honeyberry plants out of the single row that was just down in this direction when we dug them up, amongst all of the weeds, and the gooseberries were out on the other side of this kennel panel. But we rebuilt the perimeter for the garden here. This gives us pretty good room here. We'll have weed mats. Once I do the contour, I'll put a drip irrigation for over here for the honeyberries as well, and we'll make it so that with the weed mats that we have very little weeding to do. And a couple of these we will propagate because their limbs are a little bit low to the ground. And we have a small bucket full of small limbs that are rooted already as well. So this is a simple layering. If you look up with honeyberries on our page, on our YouTube channel, you'll see how I do simple layering, which is basically laying down a limb of the plant, and honeyberries are real easy to do. And I use the garden staples, the same ones that we hold the weed mats down with, to hold that limb down to the ground. Just put some soil over it, and each one of the shoots, just like we do with the gooseberries, they start rooting as well. And then you can dig them up afterwards. So a few of these we'll end up rooting, get some more plants out of. But these are mainly, the main function of having these ones in here is for Thea to harvest the honeyberries. The honeyberries are just like blueberries in many sense of the imagination. They're just a little bit elongated as opposed to spherical. They taste absolutely delicious, a little bit sort of like one of the varieties of blueberries, since blueberries can taste a little bit different. The blueberry plants are doing well so far. We have a whole bunch of plant potting up to do tomorrow, so we'll see. It'll probably take us a couple of days to pot up the gooseberries, the honeyberries that we got that started rooting already, chives. Well, the chives will plant out near the living fence, I think. And we have some apple trees to pot up as well, so quite a few things to pot up. Seems like there's never an end to the things to do around here. But I'm pretty happy with the layout now. Real easy to maneuver around in here, nice and easy. We can get a garden cart right around in here, which will be much easier as well. And with the weed mats and the drip tape, well, that'll make life just a little bit that much easier. So that's it for this video, getting the honeyberries in the ground. Oh, I forgot to mention, sorry. In the video you could see Thea and I doing it, digging some holes. We spaced them out, dug the holes, put mycorrhizal fungi in the hole, the spores. Those spores will sporulate and they will attach to the roots. We put them right up next to the roots. So we put mycorrhizal fungi spores in the hole. Then I put the roots of the plant in there. Then we put more spores on top of it, then watered them down, then added the soil. Thea did all that and it really worked out very well. And with the soil that we got over here, this was real easy digging compared to most of our property. So that's it for this video, folks. Thanks so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you find it of value, and share it with your friends if you'd like. And by all means, folks, take good care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye-bye now.